That's the word.
The same people will be the ones saying people again brushing.
Shiloh doesn't like us to expose the truth, you know. Shiloh's not a truth person.
Oh yeah.
Tutu likes to hide things under the rug, you know.
Oh yeah. No, but
No,
this is raw and uncut.
It's peaceful. It's okay. Let's leave it as is.
Look here, Ronnie.
Is Tutu one of the sellouts?
Yeah, she is. Yeah.
Oh,
Traitor.
she's.
A traitor.
It seems like her sister is a revolutionary in the pot.
Let me give you a little insight. Let me give you a little insight, right?
Is Mama one of the revolutionaries?
Yeah, a big
Let
one.
me tell you the four of them. Tutu and the first one. There are four. Tutu, the third one, and the first. The 4, 5 is this one. Is the father. The father. The first one and the second Tutu, and it is the third one, and the first one Kumo. That we refer to as
The
Queen Bee. Queen Bee.
Is it because Mama controls everything?
No, not necessarily. Though I control them,
In a sense.
Now,
In a sense. She just admit that.
Remember, we're going to do a film about you letting go control at a certain... it's time for letting go.
True, I control them, but one thing is that...
You admit to that?
Should
I pour you a glass?
Yeah, I see that. I admit that.
I wish you guys would record this all the time. People would love this.
Well, let me tell you. True, I admit that. I control them, but in a certain
Pour me
level,
a beer, man.
In a certain level.
Pour men
Not that I'm
Pour a man some bells.
I'm just telling
And one
them
thing I know about
facts.
Botswana,
I'm
they
just
speak over
telling
each
them
other.
facts to do. Girls, you should behave like this and that. Do this and that.
True that.
The most important thing, he knows the brother.
Yeah, true that.
But one thing I like about them, I'm always talking to them about it. It's communication. I like communication. When somebody's going out, Mom, I'm going out, I'll be back in 2 hours.
Stick a
Should
pin
be
there.
like that.
When I first met
When
my...
it's time,
When
you
I
can
first
tell
met my wife,
When it's
I
going
was
out,
actually bored.
Yeah.
Because every 10 minutes the mom was calling.
Yes,
How far? Where are you? How far? Where are you?
Because he
How
was not
far?
taking
Where are you?
to
Because
say,
I was
"I'll be
she was
there."
sneaking
So
out.
let me ask you, Mom, was there trauma in your life why you are so overprotective of them? But I know it's a peaceful country. Is it because they could be promiscuous in the dance hall?
It's a trauma to me. It was a trauma to me because ladies are not like guys. Guys can whether it's on the way or
themselves.
They can protect themselves. Whether he's with the boyfriend or on the street, wayside, any wayside, can protect them. But a lady cannot protect herself. Whether they've got conflict in the house or whatever, anyway.
So women get abused
so
here?
that is why no.
No, it
Someone
was
said
just,
that
I think, the mother's love, that protection.
It was just a protection of the mother's love.
Even though she overdoes it, but till today.
Wait. People in America cannot listen to more than one person.
Because, let me finish my story. Because the fact is that I know that ladies are not like guys. Guys can rule, can do what, can fight, can do what. But I know that ladies are always innocent. Wrong or not wrong, are wise. So that is one thing that was always cycling in my mind. So maybe that is why I was always calling them for my baby. If there's anything wrong, let's talk so that I can help you way out or we can do this and that.
Tyler, you're hiding. Is that fact or mommy's just like overly protective?
She is overly protective, and
this is a Kardashian, right?
Okay, fine. Let me stick a pin there. Let me just jet in. Why I will say mom is overprotective. Number one, she has 4 daughters. Yeah.
No sons.
No. Yeah. On one son.
Sons. I didn't
4
know
daughters and 1
my
son.
son.
Yeah, an adopted son.
The son
Yeah. And if she had never ruled, let me say like control them or what can I say, or
monitor
them with an iron fist.
Yes.
Per se.
An extended iron fist.
With an extended iron fist. Things could have been very chaotic.
Maybe.
Things could have been even worse by now, okay?
You have to
this
say
one,
maybe.
This one she could have been having maybe 2 kids.
Yeah,
fatherless kid.
It's true.
This one could have been having at least 3 fatherless one. And the cycle goes on. So actually she did a very good job controlling them. Let me say, let me use that word.
Monitoring.
Okay, monitoring. If it makes you happy, yes. Monitoring with an iron fist. Thank you, sir. With an extended iron fist, and that also instills discipline into them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Adding on that, on what San is saying, is because one thing is that most of the families here in Botswana, more especially a family when it's a single parent family, the children are going free, they're doing all sorts of funny things because the mother is a single parent. So to be a single parent needs more of your mind, because if I was out of my mind, my behavior is the most important thing for them to guide them. So I was trying by all means to show them a good behavior.
So love her or hate her, she did a good job.
Then
love or hate, she did a good job.
Give you the chance to talk.
After that, that's when the time when I saw the husband I'm with, that's when again communication is the most important thing. I call them together.
Would you satisfy just a couple of texts per day?
Pardon?
Would you be satisfied with some texting?
That's not enough.
For
her, that's not enough. For her, that's not enough. I know my mother very well. That's not enough. Even me, I get my whipping also. I'm not excluding.
6 phone calls before 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Even me.
Sure.
Wait. Let's have a woman talk.
Okay.
Even him.
One of the monitors monitored.
So that was the most dangerous thing to me, because to be a single parent, most of the things there's air in between because of being single to the kids. So that is why I was more than protective because of that.
Was your mother monitoring also? Your mother? Oh, okay. You didn't grow up with your mother.
My mother died when I was still young.
So you don't understand.
I didn't understand really how I thought that to me, my growing up was something else, I can say. Yeah. So that is why I create.
So let me ask you, when they speak to you about how they feel, are you okay with saying, you know, my golden monitoring arm is probably too strong around their neck, let me let go of it?
You know them speaking to me.
This is the movie we're making, right?
Yeah.
But Tutu, can you speak now?
But, okay, answering to what? Okay, I'll say this. You know what? I think somewhere, somehow, okay, we grew up closely to mom. We've never been in a situation whereby someone else is, say, maybe some distance away or some different province or different village. We've always been with mom. We have seen all the struggles. We have seen all the growing up. We've experienced a lot of things with her. So it was easy for us to adapt and learn and do not disappoint her. She could have just had that little trust on us that since we've seen it all happening in our eyes, we know better. Up to date, I would say no one from the four of us, I would say no one has ever been a disappointment. We've grown up and then we've learned a lot, and then we were just close to her until the recent years. That's when we started going out or
now
going
away from adults.
her.
Going away from her, but we still submit to her. We still follow that phone call that she makes. Whenever she makes that phone call, we just go. Whenever you're chilling and then you just see a phone lighting, you're like,
you giddy up.
Whoa. It's not like we do that because we are scared of her, because of the respect we have towards her.
And not
because at the end, the man who married her is our stepfather. So as well, we have to pass that respect so that one he can know also, okay, these kids, because if we disrespect our mother, the man will say, okay, these kids are disrespecting the mother, so which means this family is just disorganized. So whenever mom calls or him calling us, we know, okay, this is time to us to go home, or let me go home and talk to the parents and then I'll go back to wherever I am. So it's all about respect. We respected her, we saw her, how she went through raising us, everything that she has done. we saw with our own two eyes, because we didn't grow apart from each other. It's only 2 years difference from all of us. So we grew all together, same house, same room. We chatted every night. We come together, we chat, we sit, we eat one meal, then we part ways. Tomorrow for work, same place. Until when she got married, that's when it really heartbroken us, because we thought, oh, our mom is gone now. She's married now. She has a friend now. We are no longer there next to her, the bed, chatting and all. So that's when we said, now I think we should give her the space. But even though when that phone call comes, we know we have to run.
Can we monitor the amount of calls?
I wish that could happen. For myself, okay, I'm speaking for myself. I don't know the others, but I'll speak for myself. Mommy will call me 6 o'clock in the morning.
I'm a witness to that.
You sound like you're sleeping. You sound like you're out of town. You sound like,
okay, where are you?
Mom.
Tell me where you are.
Exactly.
Who are you with? Are you okay?
Can you just
Did you
trust
eat?
me just a little bit when I tell you I'm home sleeping? Can you have that thing and reduce the phone call? Mom, I'm in a meeting, please.
She will call.
Doesn't matter
reduce
to
the
her.
phone call.
Doesn't matter to her. 2 minutes
She will
after
just
she will
call
call
and say,
again.
no, I was just checking on you.
Like 1,000 calls in a day.
So we don't mind. We are used to that.
Mom, do you hear that?
In a day.
And it has even rubbed down on me as well. She does the same to me as well, and I'm a grown man. Can you believe it?
Thank God.
Mom, do you have any board games or books that you're reading to occupy your time? What do you do with your time?
She wasn't my daughter.
I want to know that as well.
If it's time for me to think of them,
Even the time she was
I call them. If it's time for me
When
to
people see this family show, they're like,
if it's time for me to think of them, I became crazy. I call.
oh, I see.
I
Non-stop.
call non-stop.
Do you know?
Did he told me?
Can we do a WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
Maybe?
No problem. Did you? Hey, Ron?
Where you could have like, everybody good? Everybody good.
Oh, yeah.
That isn't enough for her, mom.
Hey,
That isn't enough
did my
for her.
son told you that they once stay in South Africa for a year?
We stayed there for a year. No, I never told him as yet.
Who stayed there for a year?
Me and
They
But
stayed
you
out.
told him. You told him.
I told him.
Did you chat about that?
We chat, but I didn't get into details.
Into details, yeah.
Like
You know
I,
what?
for instance, I stayed in South Africa for
Even this
4
one
years.
stayed in South
I stayed in South
Africa.
Africa, but I was forced to come here like every weekend.
You stayed there for a year?
No,
Yeah.
Or,
4 years.
no, us we
8
stayed for a
years.
year.
3 years from
No,
3,
not,
from 4,
not
from
3
5.
years, Mama.
4 years.
8
4,
years.
5 years or something like that.
From
From
2004,
from
5,
two.
6,
It
7,
started
8.
from 2. From 2, from 3, from 4, from 5.
So in
Mother
Africa,
beef,
in Africa, the mother has the authority.
Yes.
In South Africa, she was
In Africa, it's
Hey.
a
You
mother.
can say that.
But
different
some
matters.
houses,
Some they don't bother when a child is hungry or dead or whatever, or drinking in the bath or whatever.
in
Some
some
parents they don't
houses,
bother.
yes.
But myself,
But right now,
even this one, he knows my calls.
True that.
When do you get her calls? The monitoring calls.
Yeah. You mean when?
Yeah.
Normally, if I can spend like the whole day without checking her,
Hey,
my goose will be cooked. If I can spend 2 days, worse.
hey, I
Yeah.
call you, son.
The
What's
call
wrong
will
with
come
you?
immediately.
Are you okay?
The
You say
call
you're
comes
okay.
immediately.
So why can't you call me? Am I not part of you? I say, Mom, I'm sorry. I was doing this and that. No, this and that is smaller than me. Please, know that.
The dictator.
but
There goes the
amongst
dictator.
Amongst everyone else, I get the worst.
The blunt of the sword.
Like,
They call it the blunt of the sword.
He's telling the truth.
The blunt of the sword.
sometimes I feel like
Is it because she goes to the dance hall a lot?
Hey, because he's
That's
all.
all.
No, she doesn't.
No, not
That's
that's all.
all.
No, she doesn't. She doesn't
I don't
go.
go out.
She doesn't
No,
go.
he's visiting far, long distance. He likes to visit friends but taking long distance. That's one thing that kills me. I cried on the phone. Where are you?
She doesn't
How
want.
far are you? Make sure
When
you are-
exactly are you
when
coming? Exactly.
exactly are you home? Do you trust those people? Because they can love it you.
And let her not
Loving
pick
it
the
you,
phone, her
and
goose is
knowing
burned.
that the-
Yes,
If
because
she doesn't pick
sometimes
the
I get
phone, her
so
goose is-
irritated.
Oh.
Sometimes I get
Yeah.
so irritated, like, okay, I just received one
I told
phone
him that
call,
my
and the other
I
one
told
is
him
busy.
my daughter. friends kill one another, do you trust that the same friend that you are visiting is the same friend that can put you underground? My God. How can you say you are visiting?
That's
why can't your friend visit you? You are always visiting. Why can't your friend visit you? That is one thing I'm worried about. Why can't they visit you?
It's a matter of trust.
And again, one thing, most of the South Africans
I
don't like
said,
doing their passports.
That's the thing. I explained
because
so she has to travel.
Who's supposed to
I explained this to mom. Okay, I grew up in South Africa.
Yes.
Yeah, I grew up in South Africa. My friends are in South Africa. Those that I feel connection with, they're in South Africa. I've been there. I know the lifestyle. I know everything in South Africa.
But still, you cannot trust. According to mom.
But most of the South Africans, they don't have passports. They don't have passports. They don't have IDs. Even if it's a 30-year-old, you find out that he doesn't have an ID. They don't have driver's licenses, so they cannot cross.
They don't even know how to drive.
There's this one girl I've always been, like, we went to school together from a very young age. I've always encouraged her, get a passport. She'll tell me next month. Up to date, it's 10 years now she's been my friend.
Why don't you get some other friends that can move around?
Like it's very difficult to
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's very difficult to actually grow a friend when you are old. It's very difficult.
Here?
Yeah, like when you are old like this, you meet someone.
How old are you?
I'm 30, turning 31 in September.
Like me, I don't even have one friend.
You don't have one friend?
Because he has a husband. No. Because he has a husband now.
Besides that, I never had friends. I don't.
So let me ask you this: in a week, where do you go?
Thank you.
In a week, like where do I go alone?
Go, yes, like a community center where other mothers are with kids at the park to meet other people. Where do you go?
When I go out with her.
When?
No, I mean like somewhere, like during the day we can go somewhere, just a small somewhere.
Let me just explain.
Not actually to a club or to a party or what.
Botswana doesn't have a lot of recreational activities, okay?
Yeah.
So there are not a lot of places where like a mother can go or a family can go, okay?
Yeah.
It's still a growing city.
All right. In the four of them, there are only two kids. The first one and the second one. Those ones are different to these two ones. You see these two ones, the difference is that this one is married and this one it's
yeah, she was my best friend when before she got married. And then after she got married, I lost now they're friends with the husband. My friend is Asa. Yeah, my friend is Asa.
But you see these two ones, those are the ones where they got friends, they go around like today, you can't see them.
Again, it becomes so difficult to have a friend who is not married and then you are married. Because almost all the time she wants you to be with her, going to the mall, going to this, talking about boyfriends, talking about this. So I don't like that and I don't have time for that. Yeah.
In our culture,
it's
our culture, but it's not in all the families. In our culture, when a child is married like this one, firstly, it's not good for us to interrupt every now and then. Come here. Even this one, sometimes he call you, Mom, why can't you visit us? I said, no, don't worry, my baby, I'll visit you, don't worry. Secondly, we need to engage. If you want to come here, I have to call them first. Can I come to your place? And I say,
culture.
And that is how the culture is. That is why now they are no longer as close as the way.
Even to get in our bedroom is not allowed.
I never enter their bedroom. I don't do that.
It's culture.
It's culture.
That is all. Whereby home is no big deal, but here it's a culture. It's like that.
Here I never enter their bedroom.
But the kids can enter their bedrooms.
Mama cannot go
to our room.
Walk in my bed like house like no, there's no big deal. She can't do that.
I can do it.
If she wants water, I have to give her water.
But us when we are at her place, no
but
problem.
If they are home, if they enter,
I can get in their bedroom. I can sleep. No problem.
He can sleep if you want to.
Yeah, so it's like that.
But us, we are not
parents.
Even the magistrate, when they joining them together, that's what the magistrate is saying. He's telling
parents stay
away from kids. marriage, kids' marriage, because you are the one those who are causing divorce in your parents.
Because
away
some
from
parents
kids'
are fine.
marriage.
They can
Because most of the parents are interfering.
But that is how it is. That is how it is.
That sounds good. Tutu, any addition to that? What would, in a perfect world, how would you like your life?
In short, I would just want my mom to just trust me.
No, he's asking how.
Listen, can you give me a chance?
Give him,
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Yes, say, madam. Like I was saying, she should just give me that little credit to just trust me, because I feel like I'm grown enough to know what is going on around me. Understand? Good and wrong, I already know that. So if you can just
you are never too grown
give
for
me
a mother.
that chance.
Mama, do you hear that?
But is he sneaked in?
So let's get a WhatsApp group.
No, it's not a problem. What Tutu is saying, when it's true, you need to have help.
So maybe, Mama,
but let me tell you,
maybe you need to have a little bit more faith
yeah.
in your children.
Yes. What you are saying,
trust and faith and respect.
What you are saying is true, but one thing more is that if somebody.
Do you believe in God?
More than anything.
Do you believe that God will take care of them?
More than anything. But one thing is that, well, it's true. I have to believe in God. I have to trust that God can do things for me. But at the same time, I cannot neglect some of the things that I have to say it. I cannot keep not that inside me. The truth of the matter is that he can go out with friends, but he will enjoy it to an extent that something will put it in.
So let me ask you this, just straight questions, nobody else, please, thanks.
Yeah.
Straight questions to you, ABC questions. One daughter is out having fun. Great time with friends. Ring, ring, ring. Where are you? I'm good. I'm having fun. I'll be back at 6 p.m. Should there be another follow-up call, another call? Because they're having fun. So if you call the next hour, yeah, I'm still having fun with my friends. And if you call the next hour, I'm kind of still having friends with I'm okay. So after the first or two initial calls, should the other contact be text?
You finished. This is all your turn.
Could you work with that? We understand the care, but could you, Tutu, would that be a little better for you?
Yeah. What you're saying is true, but the truth of the matter is that are we together, Gil?
Correct, mommy. I'm listening.
What you're saying is true, but the truth of the matter is that there's so many kids that are underground because of friends. There's so many kids that are underground because of
When you say
fans,
underground, you mean what?
Because of fans. Take it.
Underground, you mean what, mommy?
Dead.
Okay, all right.
Because of fans. Because of friends.
Have you ever had her meet your friends?
Here, I don't have any friends.
I mean in SA.
Thirdly,
I have only 2.
Do they talk to your mom?
Yes.
Your mom knows them very well?
Yes.
One.
The other one last year December, I had I visited one of them at her home village. I took Asa with me. I told her that we were going out on a trip, and then we just went for Christmas, and then we came back. It was no problem. I was communicating with her every day. Yeah. And then unfortunately they could not speak with the mother that side because she doesn't understand Zona, she doesn't know English. She only speaks Swati.
So you mean for African families, even after the person is past 18, there's still a family link where your actions are you're not as independent in Africa away from your family.
It's definitely.
So it could be good and bad.
Could be.
It is good and bad. The good thing is that...
You know, some of the things I was still telling you. I told you, firstly, the problem is that...
Because I've been in Africa for the past 2 weeks or 3. My mother said, you good? I'm good, Mom. Or 2 weeks, 3 weeks. My brother didn't even call me.
They don't even care.
It's not that they don't care. You're 44 years old, bro.
Grown old man.
You're 44 years old.
The way I feel.
And my mom would text me, "Are you okay? I haven't heard from you." Okay, Mom, I'm good.
And that's it.
Hey, even if he can reach 50.
50?
Yes.
Can you hear that? Did you hear that?
Even if he can reach 50, as long as I'm
That's half a century.
You know what? One thing I like, one thing I can be a little bit far from her. If she is married, no, that one I can be a bit away from.
So the other one.
But if he is single, I'm not comfortable.
Oh, you're protecting her.
I'm not comfortable.
So, Tyler, you have to get married to get that.
How will I get married if I'm monitored every 24/7?
No.
It's impossible.
It is possible.
Get your babe.
Yes, how will I get my babe if I'm undercover like 24/7, no chance to go out. When we are still chatting, Mama is calling. 6 o'clock in the morning, Mama is calling. Before 10 a.m., before I sleep, Mama is calling. If I step out, go to town, immediately when I come from work, she's calling. She says, "Come home like now." No time, no
As in now.
to go out. Yeah, I'm honest though.
Sometimes I'm with her, she'll be crying.
Sometimes I even ask for a favor. Now is the honest truth. Sometimes I ask favors from Kwame. Say, "Kwame, can you please cover me up because I need to step out. I need to go to town. So can you please cover me up?" You see, these are the things that I come across. And I cannot get married like that. Nobody would want to get married to somebody who said 2 minutes and says, "Okay, Mommy is calling." You are 31 and your mom is still calling you like a 12-year-old. Who does that? Nobody does that. Okay, this is what is happening right now. I'm at home. Phone call is coming in. Come home. It's a Sunday. I shouldn't be at work. I should be relaxing. 6 o'clock. What time are you coming home? Can I please get a little nap? I'm tired. No, you will get to rest when you get the side. Okay, fine, no problem. Mommy, I need time to relax. Okay, take Balo with you, no problem. Okay, it's my son, no problem. But there is no how one can get married if he doesn't go out and meet people. I don't go out partying. I don't do clubbing. I don't spend nights drinking. No, I don't do those things.
Just
24 hours, 24/7, I am home looking at Mommy and Daddy's eyes every day, while others are out exploring
the world. Mommy, what do you do with your time?
Mommy and Daddy must go.
No.
What do you do with your time? What is your life?
Oh, well.
Do you do stuff with your church? What do you do with your time? You get up in the morning at 9. Maybe Mommy has too much time on her hands.
No, my time.
So let's speak straight answers, Mommy.
Yeah,
the world is watching you.
You are straight to answer.
Straight answer. What do you do? 9 in the morning. What does your week look like? Come, talk to us.
I can clean the house. I can do whatever. I can cook for Daddy. I can go around and see what I can do. But the fact remains is that if it comes to a point,
pour a woman some bills, will you?
Know where she is. That time.
Okay. So we're talking about your life. Let's talk about your life.
My life.
She has a life, and you have a life. What does your life consist of? Because let's think for a second. When humans are born out of humans, they are independent to a point in the universe. The universe and God takes care of them. Mom can only do so much because the birds drop from the tree and Mom let them fly, and they fly in different directions. That's a part of nature. They learn.
Like a wolf. A wolf when the wolf
you teach.
He goes around the tree, go around the tree, then he enter inside the tree, then they split.
They go, now, Mom, it seems like you're not obeying nature here to a point. So I'm asking you.
Yes,
you're the eagle.
Let me say the
What do you do with your life?
Let me say the last word. Okay. I've got a lot to do of my own, or of my house to do, me and Daddy that I did. But the problem is that sometimes, not only, sometimes, they never tell the truth to your sister. They never tell me. Sometimes he can
There
say
you go.
she's at Lobati.
There you go.
Do you know why?
Sometimes
that's true.
No, let me talk. Let me talk.
That's the
Let me
truth
talk. It's my
also.
time. It's my time to talk.
Let Mama talk.
It's my time
Let
to
Mama
talk.
talk.
It's my time to talk.
Let's Mama talk.
One of the things that makes me to be confused, they will never tell the truth. Secondly,
I agree. I strongly agree.
Wait, Tyler, Tutu,
You
please.
get your chance.
Secondly, yeah, he's telling the truth. I never give them chance because they're supposed to sit and talk. I'm not saying you must call your boyfriend home or you must do what, but you sit next to your mother and say, Mother, I've got a boy in Muchudi or I've got a boy in Lobat or somewhere else. We are dating, but I'm still saying we are still focusing on looking whether he can be the right person or not. So I'm still, and I even said to them, Holly, even if you cannot tell me the truth, at least tell your family, your brother and your sisters, so that they can be the witness if there is something wrong in your life.
Yes, makes sense.
So that if we don't know where you are,
Makes sense.
your brother can call that
member.
fiance and say, where is Tuelo?
Yes,
Or your sister can say, where is
it
Tuelo?
all makes sense now.
Because he gave you the number. I'm only saying, where you are going, give one of your family the number.
Mama, say no more. Say no more. Say no more, Mama. Say no more.
Give your family the
sense.
number so that when I'm
Any
confused about
emergency.
Say no more. Say no more.
emergency,
Say no
your
more.
brother or any of your family can. I'm only
We
saying,
understand. Say no
not
more.
me,
Save the energy.
but your family.
Save the energy. Tutu!
Yes.
Save the energy, Mama.
We are coming back to you.
Save the energy.
We are
Mama.
coming back to you.
Now, reply to that.
Okay. With that, when she says directions or locations,
And you are
different
never
locations,
honest.
I strongly agree.
What about the honesty?
Let's focus on honesty. Forget direction.
Forget about
Yes.
focus on the honesty.
Forget about
part.
honesty. Because honesty
Yes.
is
No,
everything.
I'm
Let's talk about
replying
that.
fully. I'm replying fully. I strongly agree to what she says. And one thing is because, okay, you will tell mom the honest truth, I'm going to South Africa. She will snap out and tell you never. I go to my sister, one of my sisters. I tell them the truth. This is where I'm going. And then you tell mom, this is where I'm going. My sister knows where I'm going. The minute you step out, she will be investigating each one of them. Each one of them. Where
like
exactly is to do? They freak out. They tell the truth. Some things mom shouldn't know.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah.
some things mom shouldn't know.
Yeah.
Like I can't be telling mommy that.
That
I can't be telling mommy that I'm going to visit a guy, say maybe in Lobate or maybe in South Africa. I can't be telling mom that. But one of my sisters should know the truth. And mommy will be investigating each one of them. They step out,
Until.
they tell the truth. She takes that phone call. Immediately you are coming back. Immediately you are coming back.
So no sense of
And then she has transferred that to our father. The father takes the phone, they review both of them, they exchange the phone.
And then like that time, you.
And it's not even fun. You are with people, you will tell them, hey guys, I'm with people. They don't tell, they will shout even worse. Yeah, I'm serious. They will shout even worse, like, oh, come back, like, no. And then you call one of the sisters out.
All right, so let's flip the script. Do you guys monitor them?
No,
Maybe you should try that.
we don't.
Mama, what if you get 7 calls a day? Because you have the freedom now to go out and have a good time with your
Thank you
husband.
very
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
And we always
So
tell
you're
her
living
that.
your life.
We always tell her
And you have a
that.
freedom to live your life.
Yeah, it's true.
So if they call you, Mama, where you? No, you can't go there.
I will.
You cannot go there.
No.
You gotta come back home now. No.
That
That's too,
listen good.
that's
They
not
go
safe.
for party.
Yeah.
We don't call
No,
them.
what
We
you are
don't
saying-
call them. Sometimes they party.
Ooh,
Sometimes
they party.
Yeah, they party. They go to weddings.
Party. We
They
never
go to
party.
weddings. They
Adults,
stay out late
adults
night.
party. Adults
They
party.
go for fun parties.
Adults party.
Yes, they go late
Wait a
nights
minute.
with
We never fight.
We never want each
Adults
other.
party.
We never
Adults
call.
party. Not to the club.
Yes.
Adults party.
House to house.
Mama is having a good time and making sure nobody has a good time. You're not having no good time. I'm having all the good time on the planet. Nobody's having a good time here. What?
Yeah.
What are you doing? So Mama will be at the party telling you can't go to the party.
You know
No,
what?
but
One thing.
All right, we're gonna have Q
One
speak.
last
We're gonna have Q speak now. One sec. Q.
And be honest, Q.
Be honest.
So the party will be just maybe an adult party.
Yeah.
And it will just be maybe once every 4 months. Not, Mama doesn't
They
know.
always go to Hamudubu.
Not for my
Hamudubu is not a
Right.
party. Hamudubu is just a bush area.
Let your bush go in
It's
there.
just a bush area.
Check the families and come back.
So basically, mom is actually, can I say, overprotective, but is working. It's working for the best. Yeah. It's working for the best. Because if not, let's say, for example, let me say in my case, if, let's say, I had met my wife, by then she was still a girlfriend, and if she had like 3, 4, or even 1 kid, I could have not been here today. She could have not been here today. You see? But because of Mama's iron, you said what? Extended iron fist.
Monitoring extended high.
All right. Thank you, sir. Yeah, there is where it is. Yeah. So, no kid until marriage. This one only had a kid when she was married. The other 2, they are not married, no kids. So she actually.
Oh, I see.
You
So
get what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's bad and it has a lot of good as well.
Good, Ma. Good job.
Yeah.
But one last thing to me is that my main worry is South Africa. I don't have any problem. If you must
I see.
at least local.
I see.
That is
But there will still be some phone
but
calls
there
locally.
is one.
Thank you.
There will still be some phone calls, but they will be wise. They will be wise. You know, the truth of the matter is that no, it's not hair alone. Even
All of
sisters,
them.
I'm calling them.
All
But
of them.
hairs,
And myself.
I'm calling crazy because you'll be taking a long journey by South Africa. To be honest, he's telling the truth. I'm calling crazily because South Africans
It's
are
not
not
safe.
that at all. It's not safe. They're taking the cars, they're kidnapping, they're doing all sorts of bad things. Friend or no friend, you can be killed at any consecutive time. That is one thing I'm always telling him, hey, he can tell you that. I'm always trying to hash them. It's better for you, my daughter, to die here in your country rather than to go and die at a fireplace. That I will suffer to see your body. That's what I'm saying. That is my last word at all times when I call her. It's better.
Amen.
Here home.
What amen?
Rather than
We are
to
married,
die
we are
at
happy,
a
right?
far distance
drunk.
because
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
want to suffer for your body.
I understand.
That is my last way. I don't have any problem. I'm just calling. The reason why I'm calling her more than others is because of crossing the border. If it was somebody else, no, like this other crazy one, the two big ones. I'm calling them, but I'm not calling them like the way I'm calling. He's telling the truth, like the way I'm calling him. But because of the border, I became very crazy.
So you
because
understand
I'm always saying
the whole issue behind the
it's
phone.
better. Why can't they visit
I don't
you
go to South
here?
Africa regularly.
Why can't
Once
they
in a month.
visit?
Once in a
Why
month.
do you visit always? Why are you always be the visitor? When are they going to visit you? I'm
I
always saying that
explained.
because I was saying you are staying at your own house. You are alone at your house.
So
Why
let
can't
help
you
them
visit?
get these. Every friend must grow up.
Hey,
And if friends are not
That's
growing
what
up,
I'm saying.
you let them go. Humans must grow up. If they're not a productive part of society, they shouldn't be a part of your life.
hey,
If you want to fly like an eagle, you do not fly with crows. If you're flying with crows, at this age, everyone should have their license, their driving. Those are your, sometimes you outgrow friends. Because, like she says, they don't come to you. Why are you always going to them? Oh, they don't have license. Tell them, I can't come to you. You get a license, come to me. Because that's what growth is about. You have to grow with people. So she has a valid point. You understand? If you're always going across the border, it drives her crazy. They never come here. So tell them now, hey guys, get your game up. Make sense?
Yeah. That's very true.
Make sense, Tutu? So that helps. Was I a part of the healing process?
Yes.
Great. So this name of the show is growing up with the...
It's true what he's saying.
What's your last name? What's your last name?
The one who is always calling you.
So here's what we can do. I'm going to play Dr. Phil for a second.
The truth. I'm
Okay, Mom. Okay, I'm going to play Dr. Phil for a second. So now, we understand, Tutu, you got to tell your SA friends, get your license, get your act together, come visit me sometimes.
Passport.
Let's judge that fair. Okay, Mom. Okay, give me a second, Mom. Give me 1 second. It's a big show. It's a million of people hearing this. And then, Mom, you could make 3 calls and then text 4. Can you agree to that?
She said no.
I'm dead alive.
Mom, she's going to have the people in SA come here, hopefully. And you're going to do 3 phone calls at intervals of lengthy in the day, apart. And then you're going to do 5 texts in between. We have to shake on that. Can we shake on that? Because once we shake, that's it. Can you shake on that?
How many phone calls again? Wait.
2.
How many? 2 phone calls in a day.
3.
Maximum.
3 phone calls in a day. That's not it. That's good.
Time.
You're talking about
Anytime.
6 in the morning.
6.
Then one,
You
whatever,
should
7.
in the morning.
You have your morning call, whatever time
8.
you set up. Let's not forget it. Let's not deal with the logistics now. What we're saying, you have 3 check-in calls. Now, they're business calls. There's stuff that you're going to do together that you need to bring over the stove, do that. That's fine. But you got 3 check-in calls, and you got 4 check-in texts.
Oops.
3 plus 4. Oh,
You agree to that? Because once you shake on that,
Anytime after 9.
She can call.
She can call.
so you set up the time.
9 during the day.
No.
You
Like,
can you set up the time?
Anytime after 9, it's cool.
What?
Yes.
No,
That will be too late
She
for
has
you.
3 calls. You set the time periods
All right.
for those 3 calls.
9.
Anytime after
9 in the
No.
Okay.
Listen.
9. 9.
She has to have a call at 10 a.m. What time do you get to work?
She gets to work at 8.
8:30.
So she has an 8 o'clock call.
Yes.
Okay. Then she has a 4 o'clock call.
Thank you.
Then she has a
5.
9:30 call.
Now
That's too late.
You said anything after 9?
For her.
No,
That's
9 in the
no,
morning.
All right.
AM.
Okay,
not
good.
PM.
So
That's too late. 7 should be the last phone call.
8 p.m. is the last call. What time do you go to bed, Mom?
This one never sleeps. This one never
All right.
sleeps.
So, Mom, I'm trying to help you guys.
I am
solve.
with you.
I'm helping you guys. You call 8 a.m., you call 4 p.m., and you call 8 p.m. And then anytime you want to text between that, anytime you want to text between that, the cool thing about the texting, it's anytime. You could even have 7 texts. Yes, like, hey, everything good? Everything good.
Just a text.
But you only have 3 calls. 8, 4, 8. 848. Write that number on the wall. 8,
That time was just
4
too long.
p.m.
But just try it. Maybe it will be all for the best.
But you could text between 8 and 4.
Yeah, a lot of texts.
And leave it like
You could do it.
No calls. Text.
You could text. Hey, are you okay? I am super.
Correct.
You see what I mean? But Mom, let me show you how my life works. My mom called once a day.
Every day?
It got to a point
As in every
where
day?
I got to a point where I said to her, please text me. Because I cannot get up at 8 and hear your voice first in my head.
Thank you.
I'm an individual.
What?
I don't live with you, right? I have my life. I'm older. Your energy, oh, hey, Marty, what you doing? You don't need to know what I'm doing. I'm living my life. And the reason why I say that to her is because spiritually, when you are growing into your own life and someone is having a spiritual bad day and they're not balanced, they call you and throw you off. You could be balanced, zen and happy, and then the phone rings. Ring, ring. So you need to go to this. It's like, whoa, easy, easy, easy. My space is amazing. Your space is not. Deal with, and whether it's family or not, people could be a little bit people need independence to breathe spiritually. And when they don't have that, because you see your energy with you're happy with your husband, and she's alone. So what she's going through is more than what you're happy. So that happiness, you're there living your life, and she's struggling alone. So then when you always call, it's like, can I get a... So then it's, can I get a chance to live my life?
Yeah.
You know, you're older. You've done it. You've lived it. You've seen it. I'm a mother. I'm a dad. So I had to say to my mom, because I'm the younger one. So we live close together. My brother lives in West Palm Beach. They talk a lot. But so I had to say, Mom, you can't call me every day, especially in the morning on Saturday. I'm sleeping. Do never wake me, because I'm tired. I work. You are disrespectful in waking me, because now that phone is ringing and you're waking me. So now you're causing me to be stressed out, because I'm respecting you, because I'm picking up the phone in case something happens to you. I need to know if you need help. But if it's nothing's happened to you and you're okay, don't just call me. Text me, because I'm sleeping. And then she understood, you know, and she would text, and I was like, I'm cool, I'm good, you know. That way I get a chance to rest. Yeah. So then if she's sleeping for 2 hours after a long day, what the hell is it? Oh, yeah, I'm okay. I'm still okay. She's not even resting, because there's an operator on the call. Yeah. So you see, your call, she's worried. Do you see whenever mom calls, everybody picks up?
Yeah.
Hello.
Everybody picks up. You know why? Because mom could be in trouble. So you have a power, and you have a luxury that you cannot abuse. Because every time if my mom called now, I'm picking up. Are you okay? Is everything okay? You know. So every day I'm calling her. Are you okay? Is everything okay? I'm texting. Are you okay? You know? So you have to understand you have a luxury. She's going to pick up. Your son is going to pick up. Everybody's going to pick up when you call, because you have that luxury, but you can't abuse it. It's better now you use texting, WhatsApp in the group. Yeah. So what we do in the family, we have a Jamaican group called Roots Group for the entire family. I could text everybody now, I'm okay. Everybody over the world gets it.
Who is on the group?
Everybody in the family is on the group. From Jamaica to West Palm to New York. I'm traveling to South Africa, safe. You just put safe. I'm moving to Johannesburg, safe. I'm over here, safe. This is the email of my friend. So I sent email of my friends. I'm staying with such and such. I'm at this Airbnb address. This is their number. So one text, this is a new world. One email saves a whole bunch of... So you create a WhatsApp group in the family. Wakey, 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 wakey. And everybody's on the same page. So everybody can still live, still be in touch. You know, so we understand what you're saying. And we understand your passion. You know, and I guess I'm here because I'm a part of the family in a way. You know, and I spoke to Tyler and I heard some of our concerns. And I said, you know, I'm a good mediator. You know, I'm an outsider. So I can look at this with fresh eyes. You know, it's a beautiful family. You had a beautiful daughter, but now she got to get married. So she got to go shake her thing outside to get married. That's what birds do. They shake. And other birds come, right? Are you agreeing to everything here?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Can you summarize this so we can close this off?
Okay, what actually has to be done is, Mama, this communication that you're doing, yeah, we get what you're saying, but you need to reduce it. One call is okay. You don't have to call it every minute. Even though you say it's for security, but the more you call it, the more you make us to ignore the calls and everything. So one call to do your essay, tell your friends to come over in A. Then make life easy for yourself. And then South Africa, you have to go it, like he said, give us all the information that we need to know so that mom doesn't bother you or she doesn't get worried. Matesi, when Tiolo goes to South Africa, trust that everything is okay. You don't just put into this thing of saying, no, South Africa is bad, something will happen to her and all that and all that. Everything will be cool, she'll go and come back safe. Don't interrogate me and ask me where Dolo went, because you don't need to know all the details. If I tell you that, no, I know what Dolo is and she's cool, that's it. You don't need to know anything else.
No,
let her say the last
Dr.
word.
Phil already finished protecting me. Like, no, Dr.
Let me
Phil.
say the last word. My last word is that
Everybody's gonna have the
She's
last
going to
word.
go back to
my
north.
last word is that I love my family to start with. I love them all, secondly. But one thing is that let your visit be the visit that can be fruitful. Don't just visit the visit that will earn from you, not to benefit from your visit. Because at the end of the day, you will suffer or I will suffer. Because your suffer is my suffer. So take a journey that will benefit. Not just take a journey that will benefit from you. That is the last thing. But I agree with what the message is saying, what I should reduce. What I will try to reduce, I will fight with my spirit so that my spirit can go down. But the problem is that I'm too much jealous on them. But there is nothing I can do because today we are in a big class that is cancelling our lost minds. It's bringing our minds inside the table. So it's something that is new to me. It's something that
It's relaxing. Watermelons is little Jamaican.